Redbox Entertainment seems to be giving back all the gains that it had at the beginning of the week. Today, Redbox Entertainment Inc. is down 14.67% and trading at $5.40 a share. Yesterday, the stock closed at $6.33 a share. Today, it opened at $6 a share, and in the course of trading today, it went as high as $6.12. From there, the stock has just slowly plummeted to $5.38 right now, and the volume is actually a bit high at 4.8 million shares that have exchanged hands so far, compared to an average volume of 23 million shares. The market capitalization for Redbox Entertainment is now at 251 million US dollars. If we move over to the 5-day graph, you guys can see that on Friday the stock closed at about $3.04. On Monday, the stock jumped all the way up to $6.21 or thereabout, and from there it has slowly been losing its momentum. So of course, there is some speculation that Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment will go ahead with its acquisition of Redbox Entertainment Inc., and that fueled the speculation, which led to increased trading and of course an increase in the stock value of Redbox Entertainment, which occurred on Monday. Since then, we haven't really heard anything serious or credible. So now I think those who were in on Redbox Entertainment earlier are taking some of their gains home. Even as we are recording, you guys can see how the stock has dropped now to negative 15.63%, and we just don't know if this will slow down at some point, but that is certainly not a great feeling for those who are long-term holders of this stock. A year ago, Redbox Entertainment went as high as $15.60, and if you look at the 52-week range, actually it went as high as $27.22, and today it is trading at $5.33. So that's a huge drop in the value. Today is actually a good day on Wall Street. The S&P 500 is up 1.33%. The Dow 30 is up 0.33%. Nasdaq is up a whopping 2.43%. The Russell 2000 is up 0.96%, and even crude oil is up half a percentage point, trading at $95.50 a barrel. So a good day generally on Wall Street, and it's just so unfortunate for those who are invested in Redbox Entertainment Inc. because their stock is down almost 16% for the day. We just don't know if this is going to slow down, if this is going to stop. But remember, just a week ago, 2 days ago, Redbox Entertainment had one of the biggest days in its history when the stock appreciated from about $3. It went all the way up to about $6.21. So it doubled in a single day. Alright guys, I will jump off at this point, and hopefully you put in your trades and you have some good returns today. On your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.